Okay, the IAM as Identity Access Management continue from here. We will have objectives to disable the subdue timer on your Linux virtual machine. First of all, log into the same Linux machine that you used for the previous lab. So add your own user account command from enter the following command: subdue fdish management, subdue system status. You do the same here. You do it, then you run command. And that you see that at your own user account command prompt, run the following is. So what this do is that is to 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 create create to give you the opportunity to be able to rearrange the term or program the term in the system. Either you program it, maybe you function automatically or yeah, automatically. If you have to program the term to be able to disable the software term, and which will also from the user to log in frequently. Maybe you have time that the system go off, the user have to log in, that maybe for like 5, 10, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, like that. So you run this command here. This is at your own user account. So we are prompting these very commands I have given here to test them to see if they are working properly the way you program it. Note how the subdue k command will set your timer, so you will have to enter password again. So when you are running it, and the system will prompt you to enter password again, over and over. So open the subdue with the following sub. This is the following command. This subdue sudo to do that. So we will continue down here. Then now we set a default specification section of the file. Add the following line. Subdue 10 out. So these are the commands you have to enter. Time out will be 0. You save the file and exit the subdue. So perform command that you perform in step 2. This same command will be performed in step 2 here. Also will be performed here to enter the password every time. So the system will always prompt you to enter the password once you have set the specification or the default. Open subdue and modify the line that you added so that it looks like this. Save the file and exit subdue. So the condition here, you don't edit the file directly. Yes, so you have to enter this use sudo this sudo before doing that. You have to save the file and clear the text. You do the editing. So you have to test here. You say Lone is a default. timeout 0 first from your own account shell. Repeat the command that you perform in step 2. Then log in as Loni and perform the command again. View your own sudo privilege by running the command sudo -1. So what they're doing here is you need to see if what you have given or the permission you have given to him is working or not. They're just testing the system because you cannot just issue to the name without testing it to see if it functions or not. So you move to this one, which is creating an encrypted home directory with add user. That's a command how to use. I already said I am supposed to use either Ubuntu or Linux machine, any of this to do this because the system is misbehaving. I was unable to do that. So that's why I have to use a PowerPoint to present this. I'm going to present this. So you install the encrypt by entering this command in your system to install it. Make sure you have an internet connection where you have this. You're downloading this package from the internet directly. Install it and run. Don't tell them say do app install and keep utilities. Yes, this is a command you have to enter. Then after that you create an account with an encrypted home directory and then view results. So do add user encrypt home to view this you will see here is -1 home will show you everything here. Log in as log and run the encrypt and wipe passphrase command. This is a command. This is how you follow up on it. Here you exit. Move to this one. Setting the password complexity. You use the same operating system. So you set the password. And before doing that, you have to install the Lab2 with the package. And this is a dual app install Lab2 EW quality. Before installing, open it. After installing, you open it. Config your preferred text editor. Remove the symbol from one of this. This is the hash. You have to remove the hash before you run the system. Before you run the command. So after when you install it, you have to remove the hash. So this means that maximum length 19. Minimum length 19. Let's change the from 19. Save the file and exit the editor. You choose the text editor that you want to edit your file that's suitable for you. You create an account for login and attempt to assign the password. Take it, and here you move down, do the same. Sign. Note that the change in each warning message here. When you change, the system have to send a warning message. Anyway, that means that the system is responding to the action we are doing. Any action you do, the system is to respond. Yes, aware, responding, sending the message that you should know what they're doing. In the previous config file command, the main, then mount the minimum length, maximum length or class line, and then this is maximum class repeat line. Change the maximum class repeat value to 5. Then the line should now look like this. Minimum class is 3, maximum is 5. You save the file and exit the text editor. Try assign various passwords that do not meet the complexity criteria that you have set to browse and account and view the results. So this one will do this. Like, this shit. This one on your send OS, I don't know which one machine. You're signing an account for Samsung with the expiration data of date GTP basis. So which will do this. We'll do subdue user app expiration date something. Yeah, the same change. Subdue the change this to 1 to L, any L something. Doing this, we are using Ubuntu commands to run this. Subdue user and minus this from something. So subdue change this. So you're changing what the password. You might change the password, same as you can change the command to something. Use this to